Hi guys, welcome to Toy Glamorous. Today I have this Skipper Babysitters Inc. baby. And it comes with 3 things itself and a bottle and a blanket. So let's open it up. Okay, so let's start snipping the baby out. And its bottle. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with this really cute animal, loads of animals on this. It has a monkey, a lion, a dinosaur, and I'm guessing it's a boy, but I don't really know. And this purple bottle. Let's put the toddler doll and the baby doll together. Here's how the toddler doll is, and here's how the baby is. There's a height difference. I just wanted to see if there was, but there is. Okay, so this baby comes with a really cute diaper, and it's Velcro, so you can take it off. Yeah, that's a really cute little baby. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!